Sick of spending hours designing ads that just don't convert? In this video, we're diving into AdCreative.ai, your secret weapon for lightning-fast marketing material creation. It's an AI-powered tool designed to generate eye-catching ads and social media posts in seconds. Step 1. Head over to AdCreative.ai and create your free account, or simply log in if you have one. The setup is straightforward, and they often have free trials. Once inside the dashboard, find and click the button to create a new project or marketing asset. You'll be prompted to provide some information about your product or service. This is where you give AdCreative.ai some direction. Input your product name, a compelling description, choose your target audience and set the tone. Be as descriptive as possible to get the best results for your ad. Next, choose the type of marketing material you want to create. AdCreative.ai offers a wide range, from social media posts to display ads, all optimized for specific platforms. Then, select your desired dimensions and design style. Click the Generate button and watch the magic unfold. AdCreative.ai rapidly generates a variety of ad variations, each with unique designs, copy, and layouts. Finally, browse the options and select the ad variations that best suit your needs. Add it if needed, and download the images to your device. Get ready to upload and reach your desired audience with your new fresh marketing materials. How you can generate your marketing material quickly. #AdCreative.ai #marketing